All right, so let's talk about affiliate marketing. A lot of new online business marketers or people who are new to the internet wants to make some money online. And the first thing you do is to type into Google, how do you make money online? As someone who's been doing this for well over 5 years at this point, I know that if you want to start any type of online business, the best way to do it is by selling other people's product, otherwise known as affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people don't know exactly how to start this. There's a lot of videos out there saying you can do this, you can do that. So many confusing information out there. But in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can start the step-by-step process and give you some real-life examples of some of the things that I've been able to accomplish using platforms like YouTube and not really doing anything much other than to make content like this and to just talk about the things that I'm using or the products that I'm interested in. So let's dive right into it. Now, there's 3 pillars to really starting an online business. The first thing is you have to have traffic. Now, traffic is the pillar of any online business. How do you get attention and how do you convert that attention into paying customers? Now, there are 2 ways through which you can do it. You can do it through paid traffic or you can go the organic traffic route. Now, a lot of people tell you to start with organic traffic because not so many people have the money to start running paid traffic. And how do you get started with organic traffic? I still believe very deeply that the best way to drive organic traffic is by making video content. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have time. It's up to you. But as someone who's been doing this now at this point for over 3 years, I still believe this is the best way to go about it. If you look at this YouTube channel, this is a very small channel. I have another YouTube channel where I talk about my life as a digital nomad, but on this channel I talk anything digital marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, and things of that nature. And as you can see, over the last 30 days alone, even though I've not been posting consistently for a few months, I've still managed to get over 4,000 views, and I've managed to grow this channel to over 1,000 subscribers, and a large chunk of that have come in the last few weeks of that. So if you take time to consistently make content and put yourself out there, that momentum is going to come. It's going to gather up, and by the time you quote unquote blow up, it's going to seem like an overnight success. So I want to say that you should start now rather than wait until tomorrow. And even if it's not YouTube, it could be TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. There's a lot of ways through which you can do it. If you don't want to do long form content, you just feel it's too stressful, then you can go to all of the short form platforms and start making content on there. Now, the next one that you might want to consider is through paid traffic. Now, paid traffic is what I've been doing for almost 5 years at this point, and I've gotten so good at this, but it wasn't always like that. I was wasting money when I first got started. I was just trying out new things, throwing different things at the wall, hoping that something sticks. But I've been able to master that technique over the years that now I'm able to run ads sustainably for myself and for my clients and helping them generate, multiple 6 figures in a single launch, which is really incredible to think about. So if you are interested in learning paid ads, I'll leave a link in the description. It's my Facebook Ads Mastery membership community where you will be able to look over my shoulder and ask me any questions, and I guide you along how you run paid campaigns, have that's on Google, on Facebook, on TikTok, any of these platforms, and I can guide you and show you exactly how to do that. Whether you want to do it for yourself or you want to do it for another business, that's okay. Or maybe you have a product that you want to sell, you can do that. I'll leave a link to the description and you can go check it out and you can join the waitlist and you'll be the first to hear about it once it launches. Now, let's go over to the next step, and that is how do you build interest once you start getting attention. Now, getting traffic is one thing, but how do you convert that traffic to paying customers? And to do that, you need to be able to have a repository, I call it, that you can go to if you need to contact your customers. Because once people land on your website, they come to your YouTube videos, they watch your videos and they leave. But if you are able to acquire their contact in the form of an email or a phone number or anything at all, then you'll be able to contact them over and over again and sell them whatever products you want to sell them. And you can do that by building a website, or if you want to do it in an easy way, you can build a landing page using websites like Leadpages or System.io. Any of these softwares that I've talked about in this video, you can find some of them in the cards right here and go watch how you build a high converting landing page using System.io or using Leadpages. Now, by building a landing page, you are able to offer something of value to people once they visit your YouTube video, your website, or your blog, or whatever it is, and you can offer a value and collect the email in exchange for whatever value they find in your video. Of course, not all of them is going to be giving you all of that, but you can rest assured that you'll be able to convert a percentage of that into contacts, which you can then market to over and over again. So that is the next step to doing it. Now, the third step, which is the most crucial one, is how do you now find a product to sell? Now, the first way to do it is by having your own product. If you have a skill and expertise that you want to offer to other people, you can do that. But the majority of people who are just starting out online do not have any skill or expertise. So what I recommend in that case is that you find third-party products or products created by other people and connect a passionate audience that you've acquired in steps 1 and 2 with that product. And once you make a sale, you get a commission from that sale. I'm gonna give you an example of something similar that I've been doing. This is my channel number 1, where I share stuff about my travels and things of that nature. In the last 30 days, I've gotten about 10,000 views, which is not a lot. Still, it's a very small channel. But as you can see, 10,000 views, 305 watch time hours, 86 subscribers in the last 28 days. And this channel, through YouTube AdSense, I've made about $16, which is not a lot at all. But if you look at one of the affiliate products that I promote right here, this is a product I promote, is a health insurance that I use called Safety Wing. I merely talk about this product in my YouTube videos. I just leave the links in my description. And when people come to my YouTube channel, they watch my videos. Naturally, people just want to see what you have in the description, whether it's that they want to read the description or they just want to see what's there out of curiosity. So they go there, they find my links, and they purchase some of the products that I have here. As you can see, I have 17 signups, meaning how many people have signed up to buy this product, and about 10 of those I've converted into paying customers, which is well over 50%. At this point, I would say about 60% of everyone who signs up for this product I've went on to become a customer, and from that I've been able to generate about $112 in revenue by not even talking about this product at all. So this is one of the beauty of affiliate marketing, and this is all coming from a very small audience that I have on this channel. As you can see, about 4,855 subscribers, which is not much at all. But the fact that I'm able to put out content consistently and I'm able to put out links to these products, I don't make Safety Wing, I don't make insurance products, but this is just a third-party product that I talk about, that I use a lot, that people are interested in, and I get a cut from that sale once they go through. So this is how I believe you can do it. If you are not yet making content, you can start doing that right now, even if it's just on a small scale. At the end of the day, you realize that over a long stretch of time, your efforts are going to pay off and you'll be making some money with affiliate marketing. But again, if you want to do it the fast way, you want to learn paid traffic, I'll leave a link in the description where you can join my membership community where you can learn paid ads the right way. It's not open right now, but once it does, you'll be the first to hear about it. Anyways, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing to this channel and leave a like on this video as well, so that we can push this video to a lot more people. My name is Daniel, and I hope to see you in the next video.